Wala kasi ako script eh. Banat-banat lang.
13 by Budgetan and Cadjo Baldissimo. A detective story with a mythological twist. By Chico Garcia of 3G. About the author. Budgetan is the talented creator of 13, a comic book by Alamat Comics, where he is a commonplace writer. He is most known for writing in indie comics.
Get ready to taste.
About the artist. Cadjo Baldissimo, the artist of 13, is a well-known artist for Alamat Comics and has drawn for many other comics. His real name is Jonathan Baldissimo, and he is known for bringing most comics to life. The characters. 13 is a strong-willed woman who serves as a detective for the underworld. She also owns a sort of supernatural club called the Diabolical. The Kambal. The Kambal are twin aswang half-breeds who always accompany 13, who serves as her bodyguards and henchmen. And Captain Guerrero. Captain Guerrero is 13's informant concerning supernatural cases. When the police encounters something supernatural and far from ordinary, that's the time when he calls 13. More characters. The Nuno sa Manhole is a small dwarf who gives 13 valuable information. He lives along Balete Street and is found in a manhole, hence the name. Senor Armanas is the head of a herd of tikbalangs and is the guardian of a rich family. And Hana and Ami are twin encantos who serve as informants to 13 and are constantly found in the Diabolical. The story. When the sun sets in Manila, don't you dare make a wrong turn and end up in the dark side of the city, where aswang are kidnappers, cactus are kingpins of crime, and encantos are bent on stealing your belongings. When crime takes a turn for the weird, it's time to call 13. Mythical creatures. The mythical creatures in 13 have different representations of what they really are, such as the tikbalang, who move in herds and protect the rich families. That's why some rich families are wealthier than others. Aswang. The aswang here don't just eat children, they're the crime syndicate of the underworld. White ladies in real life can't be killed, but here they can be killed with the right ingredients. And duende, they bring good luck and bad luck and become informants if you give them the right price. The influences of some stories in 13. Many of the elements of the story came from popular gossip and rumors, such as rich families having a tikbalang as a guardian and abortions in a mall. Of course, most of the influences come from Philippine mythology, such as aswangs, kapres, tikbalangs, and such. The 13 comics have been compiled into 2 books. The first book is called Murder on Balete Drive. The first book includes the story at the intersection of Balete and 13th Street, where a white lady has been found dead. The second case, Rules of the Race, tells the story of a tikbalang that races against young men. The case 3, A Secret Constellation, is a story where 13 encounters something or someone that is more powerful than her or anybody else. And case 4 is the tragic case of Dr. Burgos, where some bodies are found charred and burned in random places across the city. Book 2 is entitled Unreported Murders. The stories in this book include Case 5, a little-known murder in Studio 4, where strange murders have been occurring in a movie studio. Case 6 is entitled An Outpost at Calayan Street, where the undead have risen to attack the police. Case 7 is entitled Embrace of the Unwanted, where someone or something has been attacking the people who go to the mall. And Case 8, The Association Jews of Livewell Village, where strange people in a subdivision have been sacrificing people to a god. Alamat Comics. Alamat Comics, founded on November 1994, has published many comics such as 13, Archon, and Pugad Baboy, and many more. They have published almost all genres, from comedy to horror. My sources. My sources include Trece Comics at blogspot.com, wikipilipinas.org, and flickr.com. Don't forget to state your sources or it's plagiarism. Okay.
Finally, the acknowledgements. I would like to thank my sister for introducing me to the comic Trece. I would like to thank God for making me. Finally, I would like to thank you, the viewers, for watching. Amen. Thank you.